Hi guys! Good evening and welcome back to my channel! So, for today's vlog guys, actually it's night. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung itsura ko and sa pimple patches. Guys, right now, nagpapagas yung dalawa as you can see. And using this car na we rented because, sorry dito ako tumitingin palagi. So, using this car that we rented because we're going to Montreal for a trip starting later or tomorrow and then until Friday. So, 3 days and 2 nights kami doon sa Montreal. And yun yung dahilan ng pagsa-start ko ng vlog na to. Sana nakikita nyo ako. And yeah, sasama ko lang kayo. It's not really a vlog. It's just gonna be like a clips kung anong dilim. Sorry. Kung anong mangyayari sa trip na to. Kasi I just want to have like thank you very much. I just want to have a video parang basically makita ko lang yung memory na to in the future. So, yun guys, let's start this vlog tonight. Sinundo ako nung dalawa kanina from my work and then punta kami ng TNT saglit to buy some sticks for the barbecue and then magtutuhog kami right tonight and then what else? Magpapack pa ako ng mga dadalhin ko bukas kasi I'm still not finished packing. And yun lang guys. We'll see you later. Bye! Hi guys. So, dito na kami, don't mind my face, nandito na kami ngayon sa Ottawa. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Sino yung mga kasama ko? Tagal lang mga kasama ko.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hi everyone! So, hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung last clip ko, but we are here already sa Airbnb namin. And ito yung room namin, kaming tatlo. Nasa basement kami. So, as you can see, okay, tutour ko kayo dito sa baba. So, galing kayo dito, pagbaba nyo, ito yung makikita nyo. At saka ito. Which is, this is the laundry. Kadugtong yan nung kabila. So, dito tayo. So, this one. Living room. Nagulo ka. I'm so sorry. Living room and then yung TV. And then sofa bed. And then this one. Hello guys! So, nandito ako sa taas ngayon. And I'm grilling. I'm the one grilling. Look at the face. Bango. Hi guys. Okay guys. So, kalimutan ko na kung ano yung last clip ko sa vlog na to. But, yeah. Naka-new look na ulit kami. Nakaayos na ulit ako. After ko mag-barbecue kanina and kumain kami ng dinner. Yung dinner namin mga 4:30 ata nag-start. So yeah, 4:30 and then natapos kami and then na-get ready. Then nakapagpalit na. This is my OOTD for tonight. And my sister is here. Then, yun. So, naghihintay lang kami na matapos mag-ready. And then, aalis na ulit kami. Punta ulit kami sa downtown Montreal later. Sa Port Montreal. Old Port Montreal. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo na pumunta kami kanina. But we just visited saglit. Tapos, tinignan lang namin. And then, babalik kami tonight. Kasi, mas maganda pag gabi doon. Oh my gosh. So, yun guys. Yeah, sorry kung puro clip-clip lang tong vlog na to kasi hindi ako ganun kasanay mag-vlog with my family and yeah, gusto ko lang naman ipakita sa inyo yung mga nangyayari sa trip na to. So, yun lang guys. I hope na mag-stay pa kayo hanggang dulo and yeah. Guys, nakababa akong magva-vlog kasi nahihiya ako. But yeah, dito tayo sa Notre Dame. Bilisan natin maglakad kasi. So yun guys, kasama ko sila. The family. And maglilibot lang kami dito sa Old Montreal.
Old what?
Old Montreal pa lang to. Yung port yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. So yun, dinalaw lang namin saglit yung Notre Dame or Dame. I don't know how to say that but pronounce that. But yeah. And then, let's see. Ang ganda oh. Napakaganda ng ambience dito. Natutuwa ako. Okay. Guys, so magsizipline kami at napasubo siya, ayaw niya. Fun fact, hindi siya, takot siya sa heights. So, pagpasensyahan niyo na kasi pouch yung phone ko, so medyo malabo. Yeah, yan. So, yun guys. Good luck. So, punta. So, let's see what will happen. Kinakabahan na yun.
Outside and follow the arrow. There's one of you. No, I'm not ready.
Let's go! Joking!
I'm not ready.
Are you guys ready? Oh, kasama pala si Mariel.
Guys,
I know! Ay, nasa lang. Hindi mo kung gusto mo.
So guys, bakit na kami?
Just a reminder guys, it's 90 feet tall. This is not my first time to go ziplining, but I'm scared. I don't know why. Kapag na ako mamaya? Ganun pa kataas. Hindi ko kaya. Ano na gawin mo? Kapag na ako yun. Actually, look at the view guys.
Guys, nandito na kami sa taas sa Batalyon. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi ko na sa inyo to kanina, but yeah, we're so scared. I'm so scared right now. Earlier, I was hyping everyone, but then I'm also the one hindi makahinga ng maayo. But yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I will let you guys come with us or with me later. Ako yung last sa aming grupo na akyat.
it's gonna be no real.
Yeah, pretty much. Hi, Patrick.
What are you guys doing?
Oh my God.
It's not gonna help you.
I'm not gonna scream. Oh my goodness.
You're bleeding.
I scream.
Thank you.
How was it? Pat?
Nice.
Noise. Opo. Done na kami, guys. And it's so fun. How was it? Fun! I told you it's fun. But my knees were shaking after, so. Especially the last one. Yan na, guys. Tapos, look at the Ferris.
Mama, dapat nilay mo.
Yeah, tita. Tita, magigising kayo dito.
So, guys, next na agenda namin. Wait lang. Next na agenda will be this ride. Kaya, sobrang saya sa loob. Weekdays kasi. Okay guys, tanggalin ko na nga para marinig niyo ako. So, sakay kami ngayon sa... Nakikita niyo ba? Ferris wheel. Kalimutan, sakay kami sa Ferris wheel. Kaming lahat. La Familia. Yun lang. Update lang. Wala na akong masabi sa vlog. How are you guys? Hi guys, welcome back again. So as you can see, nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Hi guys, it's me again from the future. This is the year 2024. If you guys are watching this video, this vlog, it is a very late upload. So yeah, guys, just a disclaimer. Una, everything you see here is not what you'll see right now. So, maraming nag-iba. And then, I inserted this video because sobrang tanga ko. While videoing this clip na makikita nyo guys, naka-slow-mo pala siya. So, I tried to adjust it. So, medyo naging okay siya. It's just gonna be a little weird. Baka magtaka lang kayo guys. But yeah, naka-slow mo siya. Sobrang pagod ko na kasi nitong time na to. And I did organize this whole trip because this is my mom's birthday trip. Going to Ottawa, Montreal, and Quebec. So, we stopped by at Ottawa when we're going to Montreal. Then Montreal is where our Airbnb is, and then we're gonna visit Quebec. You'll see it on the next few clips. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy.
And time check, it's already 11:09 in the afternoon. So, tulugan na. And then, nakapalit na kami lahat. And then, for tomorrow, punta tayo ng Quebec for the whole day. It's a 4-hour drive. So, mas maganda na maaga tayong pumunta doon. I think we're going around 8 a.m. tomorrow. So, let's see. I'm gonna try to wake up around 5:30 or 6 to prepare the food for the breakfast and shower.
Yun lang guys. And trying to make my food. What are you doing? Okay. So yan guys. So this is my bed for tonight. Janine's bed and then Patrick's bed's gonna be on the other side. But yeah. Kumuha lang ako ng food sa taas. Nagpainit ako ng cup noodles. Gusto ko talaga ng mga soup. Ganun. And then manonood lang kami ng movie saglit. Just one or hindi ko din siguro matatapos. And then matutulog na to get ready tomorrow. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for still panonood nyo. Mabot kayo ng ganito katagal na manood sa akin. Yan guys. So kita-kits tayo tomorrow. Sa kung ano pa yung mga gagawin namin bukas. I think nakapag video ako ng mga small clips kagabi. Kanina ako. Wala ako sa tamang pag-iisip ko. Kanina, para sa, dito ako tingin natin, sorry. Kanina, para sa vlog. So, let's see kung anong mga itsura nila. Pero I tried to enjoy as much as possible with my family. And, hindi din kasi ako sanay na nag-vlog sa harapan nila. So, yun lang guys. You wanna look at my food? Here it is. Spicy siya. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for tuning in ng ganito katagal sa video namin. Or sa video ko. See you tomorrow. I will bring you the Quebec. Good night. Good morning guys. I needed to go outside kasi natutulog po yung mga tao. Ay, ako pa lang yung nagising. Kailangan ng gumising. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Yan na yung tsura ko. Time check, it's already time na. I think 6:30. Ito tayong food. Breakfast. Breakfast for everybody. Hi everyone! Hello ulit again. What? Ano? Hello ulit again. So yung last clip na nakita nyo kanina, yung paggising ko kaninang umaga, sobrang bangag pa ako, sabog pa ako. As you can see, nakabihis na kami ngayon. Look at the outfits. Magda-dress lang ako today. So, this is what I'm gonna wear for today. Punta kaming Quebec. By the way, we're staying in Montreal. And punta kaming Quebec today. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari later. See you! Bye! Hi guys! So, we're here in Quebec.
Wait lang ah.
See that? Yeah, so dito na kami sa Quebec. With the fam. Kakarating lang namin.
Ice cafe.
Pakainit, nakalimutan ko magdala ng cup.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we were in my
Guys, mag-hike kami. And hindi ako nakaayos ng damit. We're trying to find the bridge sa may falls. Let's see.
Getting prime. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
Dito na tayo sa Montmorency Falls. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako, guys. Sunog na yung mukha ko. But yeah.
Idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine.
Hi guys. So, we're here in Quebec. What the heck? Quebec City. So yeah, maglalakad-lakad kami later. We're going to find restaurant kasi sobrang gutom na ako. And anong oras na dun? And we need to eat lunch. So, mamaya na tayo maglakad. Let's eat. Maglalakad na rin naman tayo para maghanap ng kakainin. Ano gusto mong gawin?
Uy, ibang ano na naman to. Sa Italy.
Good morning, everybody. So today is our last day here in Montreal. This is August 27, and it's 2 minutes before 9 a.m. And sorry kung hindi ako masyado pag-vlog, hindi ako masyado nakakausap sa inyo, guys, kasi sobrang daming ganap. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung videoan ko. But yeah, last night, we got home around 10, I guess. 10:30 or 11. Then we just cooked dinner. Hindi ko na vinlog yun kagabi kasi sobrang pagod na din ako. We cooked dinner, we ate, we played billiards, and nood lang akong movie, nakatulog na ako kagabi. And then this is the next day. So, baka walang kwenta ng vlog ko, but hindi ko alam kung ma-upload ko to. Pag na-upload ko to, good. Pag hindi, then wala tayo magagawa. But yeah, sama ko pa rin kayo hanggang mamayang pag-uwi namin, or hindi ko alam, basta sa cruise. Magko-cruise kami today for 1.5 hour, and then uwi na. Yun lang yung agenda namin for today. So see you guys later sa cruise. Yun, estimated time of arrival namin in Toronto later is around 8 to 10 p.m. Depends on the traffic. Kasi sobrang traffic sa Toronto. But yeah, yun lang, guys. I'll see you guys later. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng vlog ko. And yun lang, guys. We'll see you later. Morning, guys! Right now, we're here at Old Montreal Port. Yun, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, mag-cruise kami. And naglalakad na kami on the way dun sa port na pagdadaungan ng barko. Dito silang lahat.
Oh, ayun yung ano natin.
Ay, may fountain, ah.
Gagawin ko sa fountain. Mga tama ako.
Eh, kasi gusto mo mag-ano eh.
Do I care about fountain? I know, I know.
So, yun guys. Mamaya na guys. I'll see you later. Mont Tremblant. Good morning, everyone. So, ano daw? So, sobrang aga ngayon. Like, hindi naman sobrang aga. It's 6:30 a.m. already. And this is the next day of the vlog na nakita nyo kahapon. So, nakauwi. As you can see, guys, nakauwi na ako ng bahay. Nakauwi na kami. I didn't get the chance to finish the vlog yesterday because I'm so tired. When we got here, just lay down and pass out kasi may work ako ngayon na maaga, 7 a.m. So, yun lang guys. Just trying to close this vlog right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na ma-upload ko tong video na to because it's been a while since I uploaded yung my last vlog. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, yun lang guys. So, close ko na to. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sinasabi ko. Thank you so much guys. Love you.